Hi, good morning. How are you?
Hi, I'm good. Thanks for having me here.
Okay, let's start. Can you tell me about yourself?
I graduated with Bachelor in Elementary Education at the University of Visayas Gagnukot Bilyaba campus. I passed the licensure examination for teachers at the same year. Year 2020, I got my national certificate too from St. Martha Training Assessment Center and work at Mid Camilos Mid-Haven Nursing Home as an elderly caregiver. At 2024, I graduated at the University of Bohol with diploma in midwifery with a golden awardee for the best clinical practicum and passed the licensure examination.
How do your skills qualify you for this job?
My skills qualify for this job because I am a certified caregiver health provider. I have also 1 year work experience as a caregiver.
What experience do you have working with clients with disabilities?
I have worked with a diverse range of clients during my time as a caregiver at Camilo Smith Haven Nursing Home. I have assisted individuals with physical disabilities and mental health issues. These experiences have taught me the importance of tailoring my approach to each person's unique needs.
What made you apply to work at this healthcare establishment?
As with my past work experience, I am motivated to work in healthcare establishment because of my deep desire to make a positive difference in the lives of others, particularly th- those who are in need of support care.
What do you do to motivate yourself to work hard in times when you are lacking motivation?
When I am lacking motivation, I put my goals on the calendar. Whatever I am aiming to accomplish, I look at it and put it in the calendar to reach or make it realize.
Describe a time when you faced a difficult client and what did you do to resolve the problem?
My clients being too emotional. I know that I had to calm the client down and find out what I could do to help. I took the client aside, listened to her concerns, validated her frustrations, and gave empathy.
How did you react if your client began to shout at you?
Of course, deep down my heart, I am annoyed. However, I don't have to show it. And I need a wide patience and have to relax and have understanding. I don't respond to that shout. I respond with a calm tone and I listen actively.
What skills can you bring to the table that other healthcare provider can't?
I am able to work efficiently under the pressure. As a being certified healthcare provider, a licensed teacher, and registered midwife, with the distinct knowledge and skills to care for women and gender diverse people, I can advocate the implementation of collaboration to the educational institution.
Describe your career goals.
I am inspired to continue my Bachelor of Science in Midwifery degree. I would like to join a caregiver association so I can become an advocate for seniors and their families and promote the caregiving profession.
What do you find most rewarding about being a healthcare provider?
One of the biggest rewards of working in the healthcare space is the feeling that I am making a difference in the world. I can clearly see the positive impact I have on my patients' lives and know that I am directly helping people in need.